This is my submission for the second part of the project, advanced features. The features I've implemented are the bulldog chase, gravity effect, pollen path, spider webs, splash damage stingers, 5+ sprites, custom sprites, replaying without resetting, a pause with 3-second countdown animation, a start page with difficulty settings along with controls and all that, and then a leaderboard implemented with the replay feature. So first, here's difficulty: easy, normal, hard. All of those are implemented properly, where harder difficulty is less nectar and healing items and more spider webs and poison items. Normal is just like regular stuff, and then easy is the reverse of hard. Pressing B1 to go back puts us back to the main menu. Go down to controls, shows all the controls, and then also the high scores with the leaderboards. Here's the leaderboard. It's a fresh restart, so there's no previous plays. So on normal difficulty, we'll just click play. There is the bulldog chase along with the pollen path. For the bulldog chase, instead of it having to hit this edge wall, it'll instead, if it gets caught on a wall and the bulldog catches up, it ends the game that way. So here's the spider web. So I'll show this now. So normally they don't spawn in like that. That's okay. So it'll hit it, game over. So here's where we can show the replay. So now if we go down to high scores, there's the score that I just got. So the custom sprites that I've included are the bulldog, the pollen path. I designed both of those. The healing, so those blue orbs at the bottom, those are the gravity orbs. Those are also custom. The nectar, poison, and healing are all like the same design. They're just like different color patterns. Okay, so here I'll be able to show. So first the gravity orb. I didn't click down at all. Like hands off. It keeps going down. I have to keep clicking up. And then button 2, it'll work. There's the stinger with regular. It just destroys the one block. And then clicking button 3 switches it to the splash damage. So right there at the end was the 3x3. Once the center switch that finally registered of the splash stinger effect taking place, then you can click back to B1 to be able to, or B2 to be able to switch back to regular. Okay, as a continuation from the replay for the thing, here's the replay feature. I click a button, and if I go down, high scores, it'll show the past 2 scores. And then just to show the pause feature that's implemented, you can see it's running. Clicking B0 pauses it, clicking it again gives the timer, and then it resumes.